Oh my God, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Annie. Thank you, York. The gift is too much. Thank you. I think I take my girlfriend, not my wife, to the restaurant, yeah? Thank you.
I'm gonna put the star on the Christmas tree. Time to put the star.
I'm putting the first present under the tree. This is for my lovely wife, Watie, but she's been a naughty girl, so it's a box of coal.
Uncle Brett said last time so messy. No, look at this. This is for Princess Annabele. Oh yeah, so cute.
Is she paying rent?
Did you pay the rent? How much you pay the rent? Hey, she think is real. You don't itu jangan dengerin ya orang gila.
No, I'm always joking. What you doing? What's this? Oh my goodness. It's a big can. What is this? Restaurant? Oh my goodness.
Oh, thank you, Annabele. Thank you, Bu
Thank you
RT.
so much.
Kiss, kiss.
Ah, thank you. Hey, look.
What?
Look.
Oh,
We're going out to dinner.
Wow.
Not you, me and Annabele.
Oh my God. Annabele. Auntie enggak katanya. Annabele aja sama Uncle Brett. Thank you, Bu RT. Thank you, Annabele.
Oh my goodness, it says I have to take you. What's going on? You cheeky monkey, thank you so much. Okay, she can stay now.
Crazy, Uncle Brett. She want to say good night.
Oh, good night.
She going to bed.
Oh, you're not in bed. It's past your bedtime. Okay, see you in the morning. What time are you leaving in the morning? What?
My mom didn't tell me.
Oh, I don't think you're leaving. I think you're staying for the barbecue, yeah?
Yeah.
What time's the barbecue?
What? I don't know. Because I thought Annabele have a dance, but actually no more dance. So 12 o'clock maybe.
Oh,
1
okay.
o'clock. Okay. Night night, Belle.
Okay, night night. See you
Kiss,
in the morning.
kiss, kiss.
What do you want for breakfast?
What you want for breakfast?
Bread?
Bread. Okay. We have bread. We have cornflakes. Okay.
Vegemite?
Vegemite. You like Vegemite, Belle?
That's Nutella.
Nutella. Okay. Night night. Oh, nanti itu harus itu apa itu namanya?
You miss Annabele? Ya. Kok melas ngono, besok ketemu Annabele, oke? Ya, oke. Alright, go to bed now, oke? Alright. Shall we pick up now? Piye toh kok suruh jemput sekarang ya, nggak bisa toh, besok ya? Iya. Yuk brasis dulu. Mang ora apa-apa. Saiki bingung kon jemput kakake piye iki, he? Ya brasis dulu tomorrow ya? Oke, tomorrow ya? Oke, good boy.
Nah, saya
Don't cry, Robin. I will miss you too.
see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Yummy.
Yummy. Say Dede Robin.
Robin.
Makan.
Eating. Your favorite.
Mau rotinya nggak? Nggak mau?
Yum, yum, yum.
Nyam nyam.
Good morning, Mommy, Daddy, Auntie, Robin.
What you doing?
Eating
What you have?
Milo cereal.
Mellow cereal. Okay.
Welcome back to Watie's channel. We're making the Christmas tree with Annabele, our guest star.
Hooray! Another making Christmas tree. Jadi tadinya kita nggak mau buat, tapi biar Annabelle ada kegiatan. Jadi Annabelle ada kegiatan, jadi buat Christmas tree ya Annabelle. Annabelle, say hello to my YouTube.
Annabelle's already YouTube star. She doesn't need to play with you beginner YouTube.
Okay.
But except it's silver.
Okay, perfect.
Your star is silver.
Yeah. The same as yours.
Okay. Yeah. I have little Santa.
Okay, there we go.
What? What?
Okay, now you know what we do with the bowls?
Yep.
Put them up here.
Put them anywhere.
Yeah. Hang on, the baubles. Where's the baubles? Oh, they're in there. Okay. We have all this too. This one has to go first. Okay, let's move it out here so it's easier. Perfect. Okay, do you want me to open it?
Yeah.
It's just a freezer bag. You can just break it open.
Yeah. Thank you. They're so tiny.
Baby, that's stinky. It's so stinky, baby.
Have them down the bottom too.
Yeah, you have to get the bottom ones because you're shorter than me. I'm too tall. I'll take some small ones for the top.
This one's broken.
Which one?
This one is stuck.
Oh, that's double. That's okay.
I didn't do the white ones. Oh, they look cool.
Okay, wait. Just turn it around. You're getting them all on one side. Good.
It's green. One, two.
Oh, it sounds like a ping pong ball. Okay, there's some big ones still.
The big ones?
Yeah. Baby, that's so stinky. Please, for the love of God, that's so stinky.
Maybe since people put, you cannot reach Annabelle.
Oh, wait. Do the star last. I'll help you get it.
Yeah.
Oh, we dropped one.
I have to get stuck.
Okay, wait. Let Watie video you doing it.
What?
Come and video us putting the star.
I video still.
Time to put the star.
Okay, wait.
It's already on since before.
Yeah, but you're not controlling it. Wait.
I'm gonna put the star on the Christmas tree.
Okay, perfecto.
Oh.
Here, look, hold those together. Perfect. What one? I'm putting the first present under the tree. This is for my lovely wife Watie, but she's been a naughty girl, so it's a box of coal. Box of coal.
What is it?
It's coal.
Oh,
You look
batu
up-
bara.
you
You know
look-
batu bara, Annabelle, yang hitam-hitam itu loh, arang.
Yeah, you need to look up the history of Christmas and see what a coal, a piece of coal means.
Okay, thank you. I didn't buy anything for you.
Of course, that's why you get coal. Annabelle.
Annabelle, help Uncle put all the present. Put all the present there.
Okay.
Thank you, Annabelle.
Okay, there's 3 more. Where are they?
Sorry.
Where's the other 3?
Nah, itu keseruan Annabele nginep di rumah kita. Terima kasih udah nonton video kita. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe. Salam sampurasun. Mwah.